and this is the new Kramer KIT-400. The KIT-400 is a specially matched set of transmitter and receiver that are sold together in a single box. The KIT-400 is specifically designed to be of use in classrooms, in fact anywhere where there's a need to bring your own device. We're going to look at it in operation. So as a source, I've got my laptop, and that's connected to input 1 on the transmitter, and I'm coming out over HDBaseT on this Kramer BC Unicat cable, and the power from the receiver is also being transmitted into the transmitter, so I've got no separate power connected here. So the BC Unicat cable is connected to the HDBaseT input of the receiver, and I also have this Kramer 860 test pattern generator connected to the remote HDMI input on the receiver. And I'm coming out over HDMI into the LG display. Now, if I want to select between the various different sources, I can go to the KIT-400T transmitter, and I've got my input selected from the PC, and now I can choose the remote input, which is the 860. And when I've finished with that, I can go back to the input that I want. Thank you for watching.